Zambana toblela ka school abana tsana.
Ka botsisa fela. Ha o ka botsisa fela hani. Fa o lwana.
Why? Tsana grade ma. Ke feditse.
Feditse. Wow.
Yeah, wena tsana grade ma.
10.
Oh. Ya school o ngwana ka. O ska stuela school ka. Tena.
Ka tsana le wena ka.
Tsana le nna.
Hey, what's good people, it's Oppo here, Mr. Blessings guys. We're back again with another blended video and I'm not alone. I'm here with
Aka.
Okay, Aka, what do you look for in a relationship?
Love, support.
Yeah.
Yes. That's
What do you mean moti love?
love. I mean uthando.
Uthando, define it.
Hi bo, hi blessing.
Yo.
Uthando. Love.
Yo.
Hi bo. I get you get it.
What's your red flag?
Mfano bashayo. Mfano ungagezi. Mfano ungagqama ka soveza impunzi zakhe ngaphandle. Hayi. Mfano unganuki perfume. Hayi.
Yo.
Nuki sunlight angazidina.
Anoke in perfume.
Yeah, nuki perfume nuki sunlight.
Marona uthawa ndaba like so you don't prefer someone who's
Yes.
as long as good looking.
Yeah, good looking. Not before cause of good looking and support. Yabo. Angithanda. Yabo?
So vele awuthe kunoma ngabe umahlalela vele it's okay with you.
It's fine.
Ngomsebenzela wena.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you don't mind if umtshito wakho wena uye emsebenzini yena azibukela iTV.
No, masibambisane.
Or 50-50. Also you believe in 50-50?
Yes.
Hey my guy.
Later.
Mnandi.
Astelela.
Hey my guy, what do you look for in a relationship?
Nyaka motho nthokomela. O ka mo go re 50-50 monna e bereke.
Why?
Ska dia matepe.
What do you mean by that?
50-50.
Maybe even 80-20.
Yeah, 80-20.
We should have it 20 umfazi or umthini.
Yeah, na 80.
80 straight. What wena vele kube ku 8?
Hayi khonakala. Khonakala. Yini lokondliwa ne?
Ape ngasiphili kubhecha mamlwana tsantu fello mbhecha.
50-50. That's why I'm saying 50-50. Thathi 60 ke? Ngithathe 40.
Sharp.
Awumuntu isibakufuza mina.
Ngoba khulumile yabona sengizomamela.
Yo.
Okay, baka uyithepa kumuntu onjani?
Ushithape yami umuntu slender. Yeah. Yellow bone angithi yabona mina ngimnyama so kumele yena abe yellow bone sicabangela abantwana ngithi.
Yeah.
Damn man.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, like abe linyashe hey.
Abe nenyasha.
Yeah, abe nenyasha but I want to grab something wabona.
Yeah.
Damn.
At least noma ngaba mubi phambili at least emuva abe abe ne bright future behind.
Like yeah, kumele kubonakala ukuthi
There's something lesebonakalayo.
Yo.
Ngabani umuntu abaneshrap yabemuhle. I'm not saying ukuthi ngineshrap ne. Ne. But ube muvila. Bazothineki.
Ubuso sokenzile bathini plastic surgery.
Una imali cha.
Emuva angeke siprefer bathini le BBL. BBL yayi ngothi ayichazi.
ingakabukayo kuba ukuthi short na imali.
What ufuna mali?
Ke shapoka chelata hao.
Now she's not into boys money. Ufuna uthando.
Ufuna uthando.
Angazi na uthando yini kuye but me I believe my love is in giving.
Nile nake tseba la rato ke.
Yiwa ngabe ukuthi. So what's your love language my guy?
Teme.
No.
Apele la skhowa. Apele la skhowa. The love language. Teme. Skara sa choose manje.
Akujabise it's a king love language.
Komthathe yini love language?
A love language choose one. Kaspedi. Bare o rata eng like aibo. Hey, ke tlo tlhalosa jwana ka Kaspedi ke tsebe Kaspedi.
Our bar ke rata eng na ke rata wena mama.
Ke love language ya hao.
Love language.
Oh, okay.
Also, my G, like, okay, when I like, what's your body count?
Ana ke na body count aje.
Yeah, so it's change.
Teme man. Mina
Uyithi noma uyithi
ufuna ukungibreak.
Yo.
ngasikhathi sakho.
Yo.
Also, when I like, ini red flag intombazane.
Manyana wasithape. Ya,
Yini?
intombazane engagezi.
Yeah.
Ya, intombazane engagezi. Intombazane ehamba ama habilitation. Yo.
So when I
Ke cabanga mina ngi-church girl. Uthini ngale?
Wait, mana.
imagine that khandezela.
Yo. Wabona ngonyana utsama the habilitation.
Yeah.
Hayi. Phela kasayi ku habilitation, uya kule habilitation leya. Ethwala.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Also, when you're not into gays, labathanda ukugroove kahle.
hayi bale ba groove hayi.
You're not into gays. No, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna give you at least 3 minutes maximum.
Yeah.
Then you talk to each other. We'll see what you come back. So we start with you, Nai Mike.
But ladies first.
Yeah, Nai. Shut the mic,
Hello.
Hello.
Vaga.
Nga.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
Grand.
Sharp wena.
Okay. Welcome.
Ke ngwa bolela stotsi.
Eh. Ake tshware pa wa ntshwarisa wena. Re tlo thusana partner in crime.
Emambe.
Okay, fair. Ake bolela so ba tla partner in crime ya ka.
Enge?
Partner in crime.
Apa ko bolela sekgowa ma.
Yo, blessing. Yabo nto zenzayo mai. Wangilethela abantu abangakazi ngokhuluma isingisi ke at least kancane ke angiyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu perfect
Apa
kusingisi.
mina sina lekgowa.
Uli.
I'm not a lekgowa.
Okay.
Like I don't talk.
Why? Why?
My mother is a black person.
Okay.
Teme.
Yes ke. Ore ke mang dibitso la gago?
Ana ke nna sijo mama. Wena kwana mama.
Ke na aka. O a jala le maxhosa pele. Go botse like
Apa ba kwatile maqhoza tseba reng?
ba re
Ungazongixhala kakobe mina.
ata go botse se ngazomqhala ka kubo.
Ungazongixhala kakobe teme. Manje maqhoza akubanya.
Kasho ukuthi ke angifuya.
Umaqhoza?
Yeah.
For wena ngawunyaka.
Unyaka ngakalahle yabo.
Awalahle yana. Ke mangivela re lo latlhile. Wa tshwantse go.
Ateng, anke go le o anya.
Ke a
O
o
anya.
nyaka. Eh.
Ha ka lahle ga ke mo.
Oh mo.
Yeah.
Yeah, baska teme man. Yo.
Wena na le temo go se klahle dustbin ya.
Yo.
Man behave.
Okay, re ke ditshwara.
Bambe. So, okay.
Anyway, udula
Ke dula mo go airport.
apa o re mo bolilo wa bona.
Ko airport.
Mara blessing ke tsone.
Okay, ko airport.
Ko airport.
Yeah.
Yeah, tshwantse bolele o dula airport. Ska tori mo. Wa bo. Ana ke dula Midrand ana.
Dula Midrand ko kae?
Ke tseba re ke Midrand kae mara ke dula Midrand.
Kasongo yeah. Le Midrand for na veil and what not. So wena o dula ko kae?
Apa nna se gale ke fitlhile wa bona.
O no dula kae? Ko mahe?
Be ke dula Wini
Win.
Street.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Be ke dula Makompong.
Makompong. What's your love language again?
Wa bona tsona tje.
Yes, not nice.
Ngarabe.
You can eat
Nke go batla ke
all
bolele
right.
sepedi ngarabe.
Mix them together and make something.
Ngarabe.
Porridge,
Ngarabe,
pop,
ngarabe.
mama, invite something.
Ke eng love language ya ha man?
Mshimane wa di ya ka physical touch ke yana. Physical touch ke yona mama. Teme mama. Physical touch.
Ay okay ke mauso. Akutse.
Apa go bodi tsora nice go mama yo. Like I don't talk.
What's a green man?
Ke di grade.
Yo. Fedise ka
Tsena ka sekolo jaje.
Salken.
Ke December na tobolela ka sekolo bana tsona.
Ka butsisa fela. Ha o ka butsisa fela hani. Faulwan.
Ore
Why?
tsena grade man. Ke feditse.
Fedise. Wow.
Yeah, wena tsena grade man.
10.
Oh. Ya sekolo mo ngwana ka. O ska stoela sekolo ka. Teme.
Ke sa tshwana le wena ka?
Tsana le nna.
Ke sa tshwana le wena ne?
O tsana le nna.
A ke show wena pele.
O tsana le nna.
Yeah, ke tshwana le wena. A ke ba a tla ka ke batla tshwana le wena cause o se fedise sekolo ne? o passitse
ha ke tsebe
ha o tsebe
o ka semputiše gore ke passitse ke re ke feditše ya kgone
okay o ile university oba
ke a bereka
wa bereka yabona imkhuba yendlala manje awe thatha mike ngibuza umbuzo ufuna ukungibuza yini wow
mina already angeke ngisakhona ukukubuza ngoba hayi
why
ngiceda amandla
iceda amandla
utomputisha ka school
hayi wena
utomputisha ka school
okay sorry excuse obereka ko kae ko mining wa para di boots lo
yo mama tsa ditafela ka
yo
baba ya ditafela
ba tlo shapa actually vinyl
apena ke bethana ka bethamsadi
phela go tsebe
na ke romantic unjolo to bona ke romantic ke tao ba ntšha ba romantic bo ba sa bontšheng bona temse yeah that time anyway like when o nyaka motho mo jwa
personality or looking
a ke tsebe ke ro nyaka motho mo jwang to
phela e bana skalwana le nna
ke ro nyaka motho mo jwang wena mpotsa ka personality ke re boditse re sekgowa
yo
fa ba nga yang esikolweni ayinabo hayi
khana nya go ke ro nyaka nkishana wena di amatela bheka
okay
Get the mic.
ngisho uyalwa ayayiva indali
sorry
hayi
ke lo nyaka motho mo jwang
ngifuna umuntu omhlophe ogezayo nokamnandi
avele mina ngiyageza
uyageza
ngiyangena emabhavini 24/7
ne
yeah
awuyinge weather uthi njani
mina artsama uthapele nna to bona re ke atha
ngeke umngani wakho
vele ngeke siba bangani ayikwamele siba bangani
just
why manje
why my kwenzakalani
but anyway ke nyako ko ready setse ka utseba ka mara na tsonto no mphana mbawa ba
akuna phone
awuna phone
akuna phone
awuna phone una leng
akuna next
na no rtseni di crash wena na no rtsena crash ka wa
usho longa yanga kuyo
vela ngiyange crash
uyabonakala
futhi angisacabangi nesikolo like
uyabonakala
angisacabangi
ngoba sikuhlulile
vele sihlula abazali bami mina sizongenza
ulandelela igeneration awusiphethe
sihlula abazali bami mina ngizosiyenza
ulandelela igeneration awusiphethe kabi anyusa iflag yasekinsana mina sekunje
hayi uthi ngisiflag
hayi angeke blessing mawungilethela abantu abangafundanga urepresent indlala qala
ngazi
wabazi okay ngilethela abantu aba represent indlala poverty apartheid badlaliswa bona ngama chain cha ngeke shame
sisi
uthini
wena kobelela le no raw nyake
angifuni ke
asincane
asincane
ngeke sincingane
ngiyaphilisana
blessing utawutsheye muthodi amatepe sarigela amatepe
Jola la go.
uyangiphaphela ngenza umngane wakhe mike
Phaphela nga.
hayi makakhuluma bheka umlomo kangalinga ngijwayele kabi mina
Ngiloma kwenzela.
naye uyashelela umanzi kula
Awunefana
ngani kanti uthi ngikujwayela ngani sisiwe
hello
awusanya kubulela le nana asincane
Okay, my sister. Looking at this conversation so far, how much would you rate like conversation in here?
-1
Why?
uyabanda
uyashisa wena
oqala
uyashisa wena uthi phone
nakitiboni
usibonile manje okay bye
bye ngisakutshela ngisakutshela ke the reason why ngithi yabanda no education wayalandelela generation engana sense
Ayo education nami education
wena utsena kaya ka di generation tshako hayi
katsena
utsena kaya akara sona mutshwa don't think about my future think about my
okay unwa bjana
akakeno kenwa mitsi wena unwange
ngabethe
eh
apele bona lilo
okay
awubona perna re Hilderton lwena wena fresh fresh
yathanda ukungenza wena sometimes ne
cabanga wena ube mina uzongibheka mawukhumula lento lo igcoke emehlweni uzongibona ukuthi njani ngishisa ungidlula igiza deme ayenda wena ujwang
uzongibona don't worry
ile nathi wisha ka retisayithula le masketi sikawubona
angisho yena inani living thing
ngifuna ukubona
existence angithi yena
uyihora
para enhle ne
deme
Okay, Aka, there's the second question. What's your preferred like complexion emfaneni? Konja
light yeah.
So if you were to follow
ehle kabe light angabi too light sadlulele ke
mara siphethe opposite. Opposite of what you just say.
Mara let's spotlight angeke ngiyama bemnyama.
It's a black beauty.
Blessing ukhuzile nabantu abamnyama relationship.
Abantu abamnyama banani?
Hayi, cabanga okay, nisekamerani thula wena. Thula. Angikhulumi nawe boss. Va. Hello blessing.
Uyazi abantu ngokhumule man.
Nongageza amazinyo number.
Bane. Wena man. Sikanjela matepe mama.
Kasongo yeye.
Blessing ngakhuluma ngishofuna ukukhuluma.
Okay, the last question for you is what's your preferred what in height mfaneni?
Height abe mude.
Abamude.
Hayi abe mude shem. Hayi.
So far you like you for second grade ngaka.
You voice yakhe out of 10.
Out of 10 yeah.
-1 still.
Lwale nana.
Akelwane le wena. Akelwane le wena. Sikho tlodwela akelwane le wena.
Simanga manje utlwela litsena ka.
That's it.
Murarula le.
Akelwane le wena kana.
And until we young. Utsebe ro ka se khone o ifetsa.
Awezke.
Okay, my G silana ke manje.
Hola.
So far le character yake wona utfuna ukuthini ngicharacter yake so far?
Yo, udia matepe mwana. Like utipona le fresh akitsebe or fresh or jwa. Akitsebe. Ditseba ke. Mara ka mogwa wa bolelang kana wa phapha. Like fresh. Fresh.
Okay, when intombazanini like you prefer like what do you prefer in terms of your height yake?
Nakubudi Jorginya slender. Bone. I want to grab something, I must have something now.
Yeah, mari height ufuna having.
And mama bona, kukwela uri nakusutse nisikolo mara kubulela sikhowa.
Okay, grab something, kubeka grab something.
Grab something. Deme man. Ngela matepa ka. Spring.
Akuzusubumntwana kanani your height.
Ubude.
Hey, yeah.
Umtholo obvious olingana nami angifuni ukugoba abantu abashoti. Hayi. Manje kwamele ngephansi. Hayi. Okusho ukuthi uyishoti wayikudla.
Ayingidli nyasho.
Yakutobela.
Yangitobetsisa wena.
Kaya lo wena ka utobetsa.
So wena nge-complexion ikhale intombazana u prefer ikhale yellow bone, black bone or something.
Abe yellow bone mara ngabe yellow yabona. For in case like isicabangela abantwana.
Oh.
Yeah, angithi mina yabona I'm black so yena mina akhanyenyana yabona.
Yeah. Okay.
And akinya ke motho moshoti. Akinya ku koba pe a.
So short niggas very it's a queer. Okay, so guys, so far are you ready to see each other?
Bona. Na ke ready. I'm not ready.
Wena ungaba ready ukubona bo Mandela bakudala? Ungaba ready ukubona iapartheid wena live?
So Thabo Mandela bakudala. Usho ukuthi very khona.
Is blessing man. Singibone le hor.
Okay guys, we're doing the countdown. 5 4
Na ke ready.
2 1.
Ke ready.
So keep it ready.
Yes, not nice. Yeah, blessing. You can eat more white with pop. Mix them together and make something like pop, porridge, pop, more white.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Okay, so far since we saw each other, How much would you rate him?
Out of 10. So funny. A 3, Shem.
3.
Yeah, 3. 4.
Why is the remaining 6?
Hi.
Or maybe push I
Because I know because when if was is vizinha one kubes ne apartheid stress hayi kubes ne apartheid
Abangaziveza phela apha mawuta munna tshwantsa befe. Wa is straight. Teme man. Ngela matepe.
So looking at him, do you think he's someone that you can go?
no
Sesi. Sesi. Sesi.
nyama
No, this school is saying that.
nyama mos
Black is beautiful.
Okay.
This one is mine. Teme.
And tell us more about school. What do you mean about this scale?
no ne as people have to have a reputation, right? Angeke uhamba nami okay angakasiqeda isikolo fine are you educated siqala lapho
Too much.
Education in terms of what? In education, okay, scale, primary until high school or
asiqede
what kind of education are you talking
university
about?
konke abe right
Apha nka fetsa school afetsa ka dula hae kana dula nje.
Yeah, because a lot of people want a degree, who are not even working at all.
okay
Even at the scale.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Tseba diala wena focus on school focus. Chicos focus. Ska tshwana le nna.
So when I sister ngapho ngoda ngake like looking at their parents.
Eh?
Their parents are going to ngake.
0.0000000.
Why?
Bona fresh. Fresh. Wa papa.
Kasongo
Anything
yeah.
else?
Mumbali nanga.
Wasingabona vele so far nginemishilo vele you said you prefer tall hang.
Oh yeah.
Yellow boy. The opposite of that what
Kasongo
we said. So it's okay.
Mumbali nanga.
Ndibheka sincenge.
Asinenge vele.
Asincenge.
Anything? Last way.
hayi listen ngiyathola insini hayi
Intsela ke thapile so wena ke emela ko banje. Yo.
babathi
Mkhombe akikhipha isicoko umkhombe ukuthi uyichama boy.
keep it chobi yam keep it
Na ke fresh mama. Ke abila mama.
Chama boy yawa.
Na ke tshepa mama.
So he's not your type.
hayi
Alwena vele sona type.
engeke ngeke
Asincenge.